All right, let's go through our daily recap here for this Monday, June 5th, 2023. Didn't have any stocks until after 10 a.m., but I finally got a nice little HF1 buy. Most all these trades were HF1s, by the way, but UCAR was my biggest one, making $420. Basically, I had an HF1 setup, came in at, let's see here, took the trade right here at 10.19. I had 3 levels. It hit the levels fairly quickly, 1, 2, 3. Within 3-4 minutes, it finally went through level 3. After it went through level 3, started to pull back down into level 3. I went ahead and I got out, made a nice little profit of $420. Did the same thing with FRZA, TOP, and TECS, all just very small little scalps. Didn't put a whole lot of size on those. Once again, I'm trying just to take a little bit out of it. I'm not looking to hit the big home runs. Now, sometimes you will catch a nice home run in the morning. UCAR, I really thought had the potential of taking off. But once it failed, it started to pull back. I didn't want to hold on to it too long and got out at level 3. All right, let's see how we did on the indices, because indices turned out to be a pretty nice day. All right, so let's take a look at this mini Russell trade. You did see me take this trade in the first hour. I took several. We'll show you first the mini Russell, because I did enter the mini Russell first. I did get in around 9:02. It was a pairing pattern short. Russell, the mini Russell, is one of my favorite. I prefer this over all the other indices. That and the S&P. I do like the S&P, but the S&P tends to move a little bit slower for me, so I do like this mini Russell quite a bit. So anyway, did have a pairing pattern short. Sales, as you know, also is my preference direction. So I had a nice little pairing pattern short. Once I hit my profit target, I took profit on the mini Russell, ended up picking up $160. I did do a little bit better on the S&P 500 because I added a few more contracts on that. That was also a sell. All these pretty much were sell. I did have a buy on the mini NASDAQ. I was able to buy that, and that was also within the first hour. So as I mentioned, I was going long on the mini Russell. I was going long on the mini NASDAQ and going short on the mini Russell. That is not unusual at all. So I have no problem taking those in opposite directions, all right? Nice little trade on the buy gold. That also, I believe, I put on within the first hour. Really, I think the only thing after 10 a.m. Eastern was, I think, this US 500. So anyway, so overall, just a great day on gold and the indices, 2254. Topping that off with the stock trades. Had a really nice day, and I think this whole week's going to be really good. So you hear me say it a lot. I really like going into the first part of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and my favorite, of course, is Thursday. Tuesdays can be kind of iffy. Wednesdays can be kind of iffy, but sometimes I get surprised. But Thursday's always one of my better days of the week. So kind of keep that in mind when you're trading. There are some days that tend to be a little bit better in terms of the volatility and follow through than others. But I don't base trading off of that. If I do come in on an active day like a Thursday and I'm hitting, I will tend to get more aggressive on Thursdays. That's probably the only day during the week where I really would be a little bit more aggressive, but definitely more cautious on Fridays. All right, that wraps it up. We'll be back again tomorrow. Please join us in the morning, 9 a.m., Monday through Friday. We do it every Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. We'll start our trading again tomorrow, so please join us if you can. Have a good day.